for women, I think, and especially younger women, girls, to kind of show an interest in the motorsport, which I like because, little fan note, the last time FD was in New Jersey.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I took my daughter Lucy, and she got to meet Kelsey, and she was very excited. You know what I mean? And I think that that's so critical to exposing girls to something that they may inherently feel that they're not invited to.
Yes.
Because that's not the truth, but it was a truth for so many people for so long, right?
Yeah.
And for her to be able to see, professional women athletes in a lot of different sports, but especially in motorsport. Again, if my daughter never drives, if she's never into this stuff, that's fine. But let her know that there's so many things out there that she can do if she wants to.
Sky's the limit.
Yeah. So you do a lot of different programs for that, though, don't you?
Well, and this is something that I would love to talk about because, we don't realize how important representation is until we see the impact of it after it's happened.
Yeah.
So, backtrack a little bit of a story. In 2008, when I first started drifting back at Orlando Speed World, I would be the only girl out there at the track. Only girl. And there were a lot of nasty comments back then because there weren't that many girls in general around the country doing it. There were a few, but there really weren't that many girls. And then fast forward to now, we have organizations like the Drift Kitchen who goes around the country teaching all-female drift clinics. I've taught in all-female drift clinic at Orlando Speed World, the very same track that I started at where I was the only girl. I taught an all-female drift clinic to 12 girls there. And it's just so rewarding to see how much things have changed. And I never would have expected the impact that me just doing what I love would have. And having so many girls come up to me and say, you're my inspiration. I never thought I could do it until I saw you drive. I had an interest in it, but I just didn't see myself having the guts to do it. So knowing that I'm having that kind of impact really does help keep me going in the moments where of self-doubt, which I have, everybody has, those imposter syndrome feelings. Representation really does make a difference. And even in other things, say the Disney movie Encanto that just came out. How many people are coming out and saying oh, I look like that character. I relate to this person. That is huge. So I'm really, really happy and grateful that I get to be a part of that and I get to be making a difference in just my own small way. So